Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Google Classroom and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here in this page, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.